Creating a comfortable home environment often comes down to one key factor: airflow. When air circulates properly, rooms feel fresher, temperatures stay balanced, and indoor spaces become more enjoyable year-round. Windows play a major role in how air moves throughout your home, and few styles offer the versatility of double-hung windows. For homeowners in Eagle, double-hung windows provide practical airflow control while maintaining classic style and dependable performance. Two operable sashes for flexible ventilation. Unlike single-hung windows, double-hung windows feature two movable sashes, one on the top and one on the bottom. This dual-opening design gives Eagle homeowners greater control over how air enters and exits a room. You can open the bottom sash to let in fresh air while lowering the top sash to release warm, stale air. This natural air exchange supports smoother circulation throughout the home. Encouraging natural air exchange, warm air naturally rises, and double-hung windows take advantage of this principle. In Eagle homes, opening the upper sash allows warmer indoor air to escape while cooler outside air enters through the lower opening. This simple yet effective method promotes healthier indoor airflow without relying solely on mechanical systems. Ideal for multi-room comfort. Not every room in your home has the same ventilation needs. Double-hung windows in Eagle residences make it easy to adjust airflow room by room. Bedrooms, kitchens, and living areas can all benefit from customizable ventilation depending on daily activity and comfort preferences. Supporting seasonal airflow adjustments. Airflow needs often change throughout the year. In Eagle, homeowners can adapt their ventilation strategy by adjusting which sash is open and how wide. During milder days, opening both sashes slightly encourages balanced air circulation while maintaining indoor comfort. Enhancing indoor air quality. Proper airflow helps reduce stagnant air and supports fresher interiors. Double-hung windows in Eagle homes allow homeowners to introduce fresh outdoor air more easily. Improved circulation contributes to a more comfortable living environment and helps reduce the feeling of stuffiness in enclosed spaces. Maximizing safety and practicality. Double-hung windows offer airflow control without compromising safety. Eagle homeowners can open the top sash while keeping the lower sash closed, which is especially useful in homes with children or pets. This feature allows ventilation without easy ground-level access. Complementing traditional and modern designs. In addition to their functional benefits, double-hung windows offer timeless visual appeal. Whether your Eagle home features classic architecture or modern elements, double-hung windows blend seamlessly with a wide range of styles. Their clean lines and balanced design enhance both interior and exterior aesthetics. Easy operation and maintenance. Smooth operation is essential for effective airflow control. Modern double-hung windows in Eagle are built with durable tracks and balanced mechanisms that make opening and closing effortless. Many designs also include tilt-in features for convenient cleaning. Supporting energy efficiency. Controlling airflow naturally can reduce reliance on indoor systems during mild weather. Eagle homeowners who use double-hung windows strategically may enjoy improved comfort without constantly adjusting indoor climate controls. A versatile solution for everyday comfort. Airflow control is a key component of a comfortable home. For homeowners in Eagle, double-hung windows offer flexibility, functionality, and timeless design. Their dual sash configuration makes it easy to manage ventilation, encourage fresh air circulation, and maintain balanced indoor conditions. By choosing double-hung windows, you gain greater control over your home's comfort while enhancing both style and practicality.